New week, new updates in the AI world. In case you missed it, Anthropic has just released their most advanced model to date, Claude 4. This includes Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4, now entering the AI arena. And guess what? We've just updated the BuildShip Claude nodes to support these shiny new flagship models from Anthropic. In the vast BuildShip Nodes library, head over to the Anthropic integration group. From there, add any Claude node you'd like, for example, the Claude AI chat node. Go into additional settings and then model, and you'll find the newly released Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4 models ready for you to integrate and experiment with in your flows. Quick tip, for rapid testing and prototyping, don't forget to enable the use credits option. Just like that, you're ready to use the latest and greatest from Anthropic. In other news, we've added a brand new xAI live search node. It allows you to perform real-time searches across the web and X, pulling up-to-date and trending contextual data using Grok. Look for the xAI Grok AI live search node. For initial testing, you can also enable the use credits option. The instructions can be whatever you want. Let's say that we want to fetch the latest news from Anthropic and see how users are reacting. Our prompt might look like this. Search mode controls how the model accesses information. Off disables live search and uses only the model's training data. Auto lets the model decide when to use live search, and on ensures live search is always used. You can use the from and to dates to narrow your search window. Let's just enter today's date. Under advanced settings, use the latest Grok model and explore additional options like scoping searches to specific X handles or excluding certain websites. Let's test the node. Let's expand the results. And now let's see what are the latest news from Anthropic and how people are reacting to them. Just from a first glance, we can see that this is correct. Anthropic recently released their latest AI model, Claude Opus 4. And then if we look further below, we can see that there's some controversy. In one scenario, the model threatened to reveal an engineer's affair to prevent its replacement. If we scroll down a bit more, we'll find our citations. Finally, to conclude, let's preview an amazing tool we've built that showcases the power and flexibility of BuildShip tools. This tool allows you to conduct surveys using an ElevenLabs voice agent. You simply provide the agent with a list of questions, and it will proceed through them one by one until all are answered. For example, here we have a BuildShip survey stored in a Google spreadsheet containing 3 questions. Our ElevenLabs voice agent will ask each question and save the responses in the Responses tab. And the final result offers a glimpse into the future where an intelligent human-like agent collects your survey feedback in a more interactive, natural, and engaging way. Let's see a quick demo.
I'd like to ask you a few quick questions about your experience with BuildShip. Ready to begin?
Sure, let's get started.
On a scale of 0 to 10, how likely are you to recommend BuildShip to a friend or colleague who does similar development work, and why?
It's a 10 for sure. There's no easier way to build your backend other than BuildShip.
Tell me about what first brought you to BuildShip and your first successful project with it. What problem were you trying to solve, and what did you build that made you think this actually works?
Well, I was looking to build the next revolutionary app, but I didn't know how to code. So that's when I stumbled upon BuildShip.
If there was one thing about BuildShip that could be improved to make your experience better, what would that be?
Absolutely nothing. It's perfect as is.
That's all the questions. Thank you for your...
Now that our call with the agent is completed, if we go back to our Google spreadsheet, on the Responses tab, you'll see that we have all the answers that we provided stored for us. Now just imagine the number of use cases that a tool like this can help you solve. And if you found this interesting, then be on the lookout for a video coming very soon in which we're going to show you how you can set up your own ElevenLabs agent just like this one, step by step. But if you just can't wait to experiment with this tool, then head over to BuildShip.tools and then scroll down to the community library of tools available and search for survey. And you'll find the voice survey via ElevenLabs tool here that you can clone and start experimenting with in your own BuildShip project. That's all we wanted to share in this video. Until the next one, happy building and happy BuildShipping.